and look at this. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message. Click on home button and look at this. All scripts are aided successfully. What's up fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. Let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called Upload, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me show you how. Just copy your official profile link, okay? Super easy. Let's get back to our tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see the next step. So guys, this is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. I test this many times and this is the best method for Delta Executor. Just follow my steps, okay? AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the login from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited, so let me open the game and let's test. Does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Let me play this Grow Garden and let's see. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and look at this. We have this panel and click there and look at this. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message. Click on home button and look at this. All scripts are aided successfully. Just click execute and join in your scripts. As you can see, guys, this is working perfectly. So just follow my clips and see you in the next. Bye.